We are in Kenwood, Oklahoma, the home of Bigfoot, supposedly. That's the legend here. But right now we are at Blue Hole, a popular swimming spot on the weekends. I don't know if you can see how blue that water turns. I should film this because here lately our adventures around water have not been too successful. We've been sliding and falling, so with Jerry in that precarious position, I might get some action footage. So if you watched my previous vlog on our experience at Spring Creek with me sliding down the embankment and Jerry falling in that hole, all of that excitement, I told my husband, I said I'd rather paid the $10 and just came down here where it was easy walking. Nice water. But I guess if we'd have done that, I wouldn't have the memories of our fiasco of yesterday. I do have bruises to show for it though. And this looks like the end of the trail for our walk because there's no going any further unless we cross the creek, and I do not want to get wet.